Okay, so you've probably seen online people doing those fast cuts and high-paced viral edits. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in Filmora using only keyframes. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the main thing that makes those fast cuts and edits is gonna be two things: keyframes and speed ramping. Let me start with speed ramping. So this is gonna be a very plain example. So basically double press your clip. Then here at the top, you wanna go to speed and then speed ramping. Now here it already gives you some outlines of what you want to do, so you can do a flash in. It basically starts out fast and then goes to slow, and you can already see that looks pretty cool. Let's play that one more time. Now what you can do here on this lines is basically you can make it faster or even slower if you really wanted to, just like that, and boom, it turns slow. Now you can even make this a bit more slower, and just like that. Now the cool thing about this is, as you guys can see, I can basically do a put another clip inside there, go to the speed ramping option on this clip as well, and then do flash out, which basically means it's gonna go slow and then fast into the next one. So this is a cool way. This is a very plain example, but this is a cool way of showing you how speed ramping works. And as you guys can see, it is very simple to do. Now secondly, what makes those edits so entertaining is gonna be keyframes. Now what you can do with keyframes, I mean there's a bunch of stuff you can do with keyframes, but let's just delete these for a quick second, and then we basically whatever clip you want. Let's do this one right here. Boom. Okay, so basically what keyframes allows you to do, it makes you zoom in or zoom into a certain direction in the clip. So let's go, if you're at the beginning of your clip and you press on your clip, here on these lines right here, there will be this little icon that says keyframing. You simply want to press on that at the beginning of your clip, and then you want to skip maybe just a few frames, just like that, and then you want to decide where you want to put it. So you can simply just zoom in and it will automatically make a new keyframe. So now what you have is this zoom effect, and that is pretty awesome. Zoom and boom. And the next thing you can do is when you press on the clip and you zoom out, it's going to add a third keyframe all by itself. So all you have to do is literally boom, and then you zoom out again. So you zoom in and zoom out again. Now that's a very brief introduction. I mean, I use it on these videos all the time. If I wanted to make a point like keyframes are very cool, as you guys can see, I zoomed in using keyframes as well. Okay, so there you have it. Now you have a brief understanding of how keyframes work and how you can use them in your videos. If you had any further questions, drop a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.